Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, July 10th, and it is 8:28 a.m. 2 minutes from the market open. So on our chart here, first thing we do is we acknowledge a couple of things. We mark the pre-market low, we mark the pre-market high, we refresh the VWAP, and we see where the market is trading. Currently, it's trading below the VWAP. The 9 EMA is above the 21 EMA, meaning to me that buyers are in control. Although the overall trend of the market right now is below the VWAP, so it's a downtrend. So there's no real clear direction right now. If we go to the 30-minute chart real quick here to see what the story is telling us, right? The story is telling us that it's been kind of just a chop. So, hey, it's Friday, right? We're not greedy. We're going to make our money and run. Like I said before, the way I trade, it's like a drive-through. We're in and we're out and we're quick. But that doesn't mean we're just doing anything. We're taking calculated moves, calculated risks, calculated plans. But me personally, man, I got lots to do today, man. I gotta go to the gym. I gotta go visit my family. Gotta go see some friends, enjoy the sun. Trading is just, I prepare all day for this one moment. I prepare all day. I eat right, I sleep right, just for this, half an hour session. But it's so crucial that you do that. Okay, so got my green tea here. Sip on that. I'm gonna turn the volume off because I don't like that voice that says order field. Market opens in 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's just refresh the VWAP again. Okay, VWAP is right here. Sometimes, I don't know, for top step, it doesn't move by itself. You have to refresh it. So I always go eyeball, hide, unhide, hide, show, hide, show. So I do that every like 5 minutes or so, just to keep it moving. I don't know, it should just update by itself, but it doesn't. So if you have VWAP on your chart, just note that, okay? Because that is important to know. You need to know where that is accurately. So what is price doing right now? Okay, price is pushing up towards the VWAP, then it pulls back. Hasn't broken the VWAP yet. Okay, there's the break. So if the price is trading above the VWAP, if the 9 EMA is above the 21 EMA, that tells us sellers are in control. Volume is showing green. Momentum looks like it's positive for the green. Probably, honestly, just see how this candle closes. If this candle closes green, for me, that's confirmation that, with what I look for in accordance to the VWAP and the EMAs. Let's see here, unless it just really pushes down. But hey, if it pushes down to here, we can probably buy, to be honest. Watch this. Oh no, let's just see how this. Oh, I can't see. I could have bought. That would have been a nice little buy there. That's okay. So it looks like the candle is going to close green. Next candle closes green. So what I'm seeing here is green, green, longs. So on a pullback, we're going to purchase. Okay, we're going to buy on a pullback. Even if the pullback is smaller, we're going to get in here. Go down a little bit more. Pushes back down here. We're going to buy. Missed it. That's okay. Opportunities will come. Don't panic. It's all good. Remember, we're just going for small wins. The first couple candles, this is the candles where you profit. I think, in my experience, just watching the charts, I think, these opportunities do present themselves because, let's see, 43 seconds, 45. New candle opens in about 10 seconds here. Let's just see how this plays out. So candle number 1 broke the VWAP. Candle number 2, and it's still, so pull back. That's a good spot. Just wait for it. I could have waited a little bit longer. Come on, pull back. I know you want to. It's an upwards trend. There it is. Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. Put that right there. 25. So we're guaranteed that. Let it go a little bit up. We'll take that money right there, whatever it is. There we go. 260. Come on. Okay. We made 16 bucks on that trade. Whatever. I could have made a little bit more, but that's okay. If it pulls back, let's see how this candle closes. Okay, it closed red. Let's see what happens now. See, sometimes in trading, you gotta give what the market gives you. I think I could have exited out of that trade up about 200, but I slid my break even to try to get to maybe 3-4 when I would have took it. But sometimes you don't need to get greedy. Like, you really don't. I could have had that money. I could have been done already, but now we gotta wait again for another opportunity, which the market's not really showing me any short bias here. So again, if this is a very important candle. If it closes red or if it closes green, it's important to see what happens on this candle and how it closes. Okay, it closes red. Where's the pre-market high? Is right here. It might. Let's just refresh the VWAP again. Everything's trading above the VWAP. This candle is also very important because if it closes red, that's 3 candles red in a row. All right, so we what are we showing here? We're showing strong upwards movement and then 3 candles with not so much volume on shorts. Are sellers taking over? They could be, right? It's important to note what happens off the 9 EMA. There might be a support level here where it bounces back up, or it might break through the VWAP. So this is a crucial key level that we watch right here. And it really just did that. It bounced off it. You see that? You see how it bounced off the 9 EMA? It touched it, it broke through for a second, and it bounced off. So that's interesting, right? So you see how weak this volume was and how strong the green volume is. So buyers are still very much in control here. So watch this. So on a pullback, we're gonna buy on a pullback and just scalp it. So I need this to go down to about here, wherever, and we're gonna go in for a buy. Okay. Hopefully I'm explaining this so it makes sense, but this was what goes through my head when I trade, and this is the things I look for. To me, it makes perfect sense when I'm trading because these are the things I look for. So here's the pullback we wanted. Pullback. I can buy right there. It's not the best spot, but whatever. It's okay. Fuck. I wanted to cash that out at 80. Let's refresh that. How much do I have here? 17. That's okay. Didn't really pull back too much, did it? Let's see what it does off the EMA here. If it pushes down, I'm still gonna buy off the 9 EMA. Let's see here. It might just break it. Let's just be patient here. Let's just be a little bit patient. I'm just stretching, sorry. So buyers were in control, right? At 8:30 when the market opened, buyers were in control. Now it's broken the 9 EMA. Now it's testing the 21 EMA, right? And it's approaching the VWAP. So the reversal might be happening if it breaks through this. If it breaks through, it's going to continue to drop. If it breaks through, it's going to continue to drop, and we can probably just honestly sell depending on what this candle does. Let's see. If it breaks through and continues to fall. Didn't quite reach up to the pre-market high. It was about maybe 30 points away. Let's see, this is very critical right here. Here's the 21 EMA. Let's see what it does here. Does it close below it or does it close above it? That's important to note. Next video I'll probably be talking about the BB Bollinger Bands, what they represent and why I have them on my chart. Okay, so it closed below it. Now it's trying to push down from the VWAP, and it is. So look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So once it falls, man. Once it breaks through those levels, it's free falling, man. It broke through the levels, and now it's saying, watch this shit. I don't want to short at the bottom though. That's not smart. But if you think in your head it's gonna keep falling, then you don't hesitate. Because when it falls more, you're like, oh, I should have done that. There's been so many times I should have. The best thing I do, go for your gut. Whatever your gut tells you, don't hesitate. Just pull the trigger. If you see something, just do it. Trust your skills. See the pullback right there. Go back up a little. I sold it because I think it's going to pull back, and if it doesn't, I can cancel out of this quick. But I think it's going to drop. I hope so. Hopefully I'm right. There it is. There's a drop. Oh, go down. Boom. 133. Played the pullback pretty perfectly. Yeah, I think I did. I could probably play another pullback if it pushes up. Play one more. Let's see how this candle closes though. It closes in 2 seconds. So what we did is we did exactly that. Went up, played a pullback, shorted, right? Now it's approaching the VWAP again. It's approaching the EMAs, so it's critical to see what happens in this stage too. Let's see. Does it close above the VWAP? Does it bounce off the 21 EMA? Does it act as resistance right here? If it breaks through, it's probably just going to go up to back to where it was here. Let's see. It's important to see how this candle closes. Remember, I only trade longest till 9. I don't like to do anything after 9. That's not just what I do. The time I shine is between, my time of shining is between 8:30 and 9. That's when I shine, baby. That's when I shine, baby. All right, let's see what's going on here. So, let's just shrink things out, give you more of the picture here. Market opens, right? Market opens. We got the up, we got the down, we got the up, we got the resistance, and now we got a potential down, or we got a potential bounce off and continue up. So it really depends what happens here. I personally think it's gonna go back up. This is just, I personally think we can probably buy if it goes down here for a short. Let's see. Does this candle close red? See, if it went here, I was gonna buy, and it would have been a profitable buy. Okay, see, everything closed above, right? Above the VWAP, above the EMAs, and now we can, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna switch to MNQ to protect our accounts, okay? Because we do like MNQ. Oh, are we at MNQ now? Yeah, we are at MNQ. I do want to buy, okay, but I'm gonna wait for a pull down. MNQ just to preserve account right here. Okay, we buy that, and then if it falls back, I'm gonna add one more, two more, or we can just let it ride. Oh, there it is. That's a pretty big move. We can take that, or just let it ride a little bit longer. Boom, there we go, 167. See, I traded, I stopped it. I did MNQ just because I wanted to accept less risk. Okay, I already had my account at one whatever. I didn't want to risk any more than that. So now, still trading MNQ. If you know the direction the market is heading in, you can always add at different spots, right? So, for example, you know what? It's 167, man. I'm happy with that. So what we're gonna do is we're not gonna overtrade. We're gonna lock ourselves out because it's Friday. I'm happy with the win, and it is what it is, man. But I'm just gonna lock out so I don't trade for the rest of the day. Lock this out, and 1, 2, 3, bang! Congratulations, we had a nice day today. We did 167, and for full transparency, 100% trade percentage win. We haven't lost a trade. That's just what we do. Just kidding. We took 4 trades, and they were all winning trades. They're all winning trades. Four smaller trades, but we switched to MNQ for a bit just to protect our account and not give it back, because with one mini you can give it back very, very quickly. So full transparency, 2 days done, 408. Consistency rule is on point right now, and yeah, trade win percentage 100%. All right, guys, so that's it, man. Until Monday, we'll see you guys then. If you guys like this video, it's real, raw, unedited. Give me a like, follow, subscribe on YouTube, man. It means a lot because I'm putting in this work. I want you guys to learn too, and if we can all make money together and beat these prop firms, why the hell not? I'm out.